Why melting ice sheets are making our days longer. Climate change is stretching our days, so far only by milliseconds. But the reason behind it might surprise you. As polar ice melts, water flows from the poles to the equator. This shift in mass is slowing down our planet's spin. It's like a figure skater stretching out their arms. For billions of years, the moon has been the biggest influence on Earth's rotation. Its gravitational pull creates ocean tides. These tides act like a brake on our planet. But now human activities are starting to have a similar level of impact. Ice loss is lengthening our days faster than ever before. Since 2000, climate change has been adding 1.33 milliseconds per century to our day length. That's a big jump from the 20th century. Back then, ice melt only added 0.3 to 1 millisecond per century. The future could bring more changes. This depends on our greenhouse gas emissions. If we don't reduce them, the effects could be stronger. By 21, melting ice could stretch our days by 2.62 milliseconds per century. This would overpower the moon's influence on Earth. Climate change isn't only slowing its rotation, it's also changing the planet's axis. Imagine a spinning top that's wobbling. Earth is doing something similar. You might think, why does this matter? Such small time changes won't affect me. After all, we can feel the Earth wobble. We don't notice our days getting longer. It seems like it shouldn't affect our daily lives. But in today's world, we rely on precise measurements. Many of our technologies need exact timing. Even small errors can cause big problems. For example, GPS systems need to be extremely accurate. They use the Earth's rotation to calculate positions. If the rotation changes, it can throw off the calculations. This could affect navigation for cars, planes, and ships. Satellite communications also depend on precise timing. This might affect phone calls, internet connections, and TV broadcasts. It's not just technology that's under duress. Some researchers think day length might affect earthquakes. They're studying if longer days could change the stress on Earth's crust. This could potentially influence when and where earthquakes happen. Weather patterns might also be affected. Earth's rotation impacts wind and ocean currents. Animal behavior could be another area of impact. Many species rely on Earth's rhythms. Changes in day length might confuse their internal clocks. This could affect migration or breeding cycles. There's also interest in how this affects Earth's magnetic field. The planet's rotation and core are connected. Changes in spin might influence our magnetic shield. This could have long-term effects on our protection from solar radiation. Even human sleep patterns might change. Our bodies are tuned to Earth's day and night cycle. Very gradual changes might affect our circadian rhythms over time. Scientists are still studying many of these potential effects. Some might be very small or take a long time to notice, but they show how interconnected Earth systems are.